For this video, we're gonna play Insane Elevator, and I'm with my friends.
Gusto ko Hi!
Oh, yeah.
Gusto ko ma-meet ulit si Baldi.
Baldi. Who's Baldi? Ay, no, go!
Pala ako!
Naulog ako! Liam, where are you? Liam! Yo! Who's Rifty? What are wrong with these snakes? X. Oh my god. Liam, are you here? What this? Oh no, this is Penny. This is Quarter Smart, I think. Liam, where are you?
Okay, I just got my tools and I'm ready.
Where? We're already chasing Pennywise.
Oh, not just Pennywise.
If we...
Okay.
Guys, yung goal ng video, pag namatay tayo lahat, end na yung video.
Yep, we got locked out now.
Chichesan ka.
Pwede din naman tayo
Bakit ako pumunta sa video? Dalo kami. Yeah, just try to juke him.
Yep, as long as you have a speed coil.
Wala akong speed coil. Kapit ako ng elevator. Yeah, run!
Running! Yeah, I'm trying to kill you guys.
Yo!
Hindi ko siguro yung makakamat yan.
Yeah, man-restore yan.
Uy, wait, I can perfect. Hindi ko sinabi ko na doon kapag pag-ano ka ba sa akin
Ako din, dati ko to linalaro.
Jack the Killer.
Yung, magtago kayo. Punta tayo, dito sa box shell. Dito sa box shell.
Diyan na siya.
Dito sa box shell. What can't I move? Ay, nahulog ako. No. Yeah, no. Wait. Get yourself to safety. No. Let's try to just climb it, not.
No. Too lazy.
What do you mean you're too lazy?
So I'll just try to do it.
Or try to juke him. You already tried to juke him twice.
Diyan na siya.
What was that damage, my guy? Push him.
Yep.
Come on, you dead. Bakit? No.
Pwede ka naman mag-reset para
No, it's not a death.
No, it's an accidental death. Hey. Naririnig ka. Ay, mali ka rin. Yung talagang ginawa mo kaya, hindi yun talagang death.
No, this is...
Yung parang talagang pinatay ka ng ng ibang tao.
Yeah, you know this is on microphone, right?
Oh. Yeah. Well, everything I said is a lie.
What do you mean? This is Sonic, right?
Tataas ako sa taas.
Sonic. Yeah, Mug. Punta namatay ka. Dalawa na lang tayo. Pag namatay ako, ikaw na. Pag namatay ikaw, ako na.
Hindi ko kaya namatay ka.
Ikaw na
Ay, ako na. Tapos kapag namatay ako, end stay video.
Yeah, pero pang ikaw naman, same din yung rules. O, takpan na ka. Oh my god. This video is just 40 points. This video is still 420 bucks.
Kuya, dito na ako. Wait.
Chichay, pag namatay ka, ay, ang lapit na, ay.
Ako.
Chichay, ako na lang yung only one left. If I die, the video ends.
Okay. Hindi pa ako namatay.
Ng lab. Ano, paano ka namatay? Sa vlog?
Oo, ulit.
Fine, dala lang kami ni Chichay. Kidding me. Ayun, kidding.
Baka... Ay! Lahat ng mga animatronics mabubuhay ulit, Marco.
Alam ko na to.
I know.
Nalaro ko na to.
Dati pa to. Ang dami ng animatronics dito. Marco. Ito yung mas paborito ko sa lahat. Mas lalo na din yung FNAF.
Yeah.
Especially the
WD Gaster, Piggy, Jeff the Killer, Pennywise. Yeah, lahat. Yeah, aren't you gonna go here?
Oh, no. Hindi.
Ay, pwede bumali dyan o hindi?
No. Pwede.
Oh.
Pwede pa ba rin bumalik dyan?
Yeah, pang nasa map. What's wrong?
Sino-chase nila yung sarili nila. May Chinese dito.
Well,
Marco, may Chinese dito.
bakit Chinese?
Ano ba yung name?
That's my Japanese or Korean, no? Oh, this is Jurassic Park! Ay, saan na ngayon? Ay. Tayo na tayo, Chichay! Chichay, save me! Chichay!
Kung meron lang kasi kayo,
Nashoot ako. Okay, nashoot ako. Ay. Chichay, jump! I made it. Ay. Ano mali? I'm trying to save myself. Mamatay ba tayo pang dito din? No, hindi na. Share ka. What's wrong with it? Oh, yo, wait a sec.
Oh, eto! What is this? Ano, si Jeff the Killer din na naman siya.
Siguro?
Si Piggy ba?
All that for that I know is that this is our dream. This is one of my this is a nostalgic map, you know.
Yep. Ito kasi lagi ginagamit nila.
What did you do?
Diba si Jeff?
Wait to see Wisman.
Dito nga din sa upunan.
Yo, I see LeBron James.
I see Jack and Sinta. Underscore Sinta pala. 30
Just it feels like to be blind.
30 jabla?
Just it feels like to be blind. Up, I'm not. Wait, when the hell did that?
Yep. Nandito na tayo!
Oh yeah, I forgot don't swear. This is Matay. I said, we are posting on this like, we didn't have to. I was supposed to blur it. I barely even know how to edit it. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, just a video.
No. Too lazy.
I'm lagging.
Too lazy.
Oh. This is it.
Inisip ko i-edit yung post kong video. Oh, just like I heard. It must be one of the first ones. I'm not jealous about right now. They say me as a
no. I just saw a spider. Spider.
Mabilis siya
Oh, I'm in a dead end. Oh, no. No.
Marco, can you please shut up?
Am I da? Am I gonna die? Am I gonna die?
No!
No, what is...
Kung mamamatay ka.
Oh, I'm alive!
Always look for aftermath.
Well, that's not that. The video made it jolly.
Hindi, tinanong ko lang.
Oh, this is Baldi.
Yeah. Oh, I love it.
Just like my dog, Bald.
Looks like I love my animals. Uy, may class mo din, Olivia. Baka dito si Molly. Kaya alis na natin, baka Molly's here. I wanna get chased by him. Ito, kikit siya yun. Ay, naman, mabilis na siya. Punta niya nga siya dito. Oh! Oh, no! Almost great. Si Marco nagtatago lang, walang ginagawa.
What are we supposed to do?
Sit up and relax.
Guys, even if all of us don't die after end up just in 15 minutes.
Marco, I'm thinking about posting things about that man. So,
Ayun, Peter.
oh, Granny.
Granny.
How's your hip going? Go naman.
Yo. Help me.
Nandito na kami sa taas, ah.
Help me.
Nice going. Nice going. Nice going. Wala pa niyo ako yung nahulog. Ang papansin.
Sabi, wala ko ginagawa. At ikaw, sabi mo hinulog ka ni Liam.
Pinalo.
Chichayo, bakit ka nagka-complain? Huwag ka mag-complain. Nalagin. Lola, saka. Lola.
Marco and Bernie.
Ano nangyari sa'yo? Lola, saan ka na? Lola.
Hello. Diyan sa tabi ng elevator kanina po.
Lola, let's post him so far as at least 14 minutes. What? Fun. You are. Hindi mo anong video mo na yun.
Edgar! Ay, siguro this time makakatakas siya, tapos pupunta siya dito. Marco, di ba namatay ka na?
Yes, chichay nga.
It's ending na.
So, chichay na lang. Thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for watching the video.
I don't know about you, Marco.